Today we're in Jamaica making their national dish, ackee and saltfish. Start by seasoning your tilapia with Jamaican rum, salt, and pepper. Then sear in an oiled pan until golden brown. In a separate pan, whisk and scramble your eggs. Serve the fish over the eggs and top with banana slices, green onions, and Jamaican oregano. I'm Chef Scoobs and I hope my kitchen tips make you a better cook.
Whoa! Look at that one. So we'll put them in the bag. What do you call these? Like mud crabs or something?
Bomba clot crab.
Bomba clot crab. That's good, man.